So, hello everyone. Double upload. Yes, this is 2 days after I received my Tomy Boko. I already have my next package in. Goddamn. This went quick, so I'm excited. This is a little more than just one item. There's a couple items in here. I'm excited to have a look at this. Also, I'm going to say this every single time. Use adult supervision when handling with knives, especially for children who could get badly hurt. But this is not all Trackmaster as well. There's also some other stuff in here. Just wanted to have a look at. I'm doing it this way. It's like that. Okay, so you can see the kicker already right there. I'll have a look at the other stuff first. So over here I have, so this is the Sodor, let's have a look, Sodor Quarry Transport Wagon, made by Learning Curve, I think it is. Yes, 2006. This condition is fantastic. I mean, it's actually in fantastic condition, which is awesome. It's a bit dark in my room, I know, but I hope you can see at least. Yeah. This looks nice. Good. Over here I have, grab this guy. So this here is Take Along Birdie. Take Along Birdie over here. He looks okay. He's not looking too bad. Look, he's got a couple paint chips, but I think this is like my fourth birdie or something, my third. I have a lot of Take Along. I mean, I seriously really do. But that's nice to have. I don't know if mine is actually in good condition like that one. And then this here, this is the last item before we look at the reason that I bought this. This is a wooden railway Spencer. So I don't collect wooden railway. I mean, I get it why people can collect it. It's awesome. But I don't do it myself. A bit rusty on the magnet right there. This is, of course, the metallic variant. Let's see, there's a date, 2012 Mattel, or 2013, one of the two, I can't really see, I think 2013. But it's no tender, so it's just Spencer here. Not really sure what to do with at least these items right here, since this is, I think, my third of these that I have. Third of Birdie. Spencer, of course, I just said, I don't collect these wooden railways really, only my favorite items, so. Now we're getting on to the reason why I bought this. So this here is the Trackmaster Gordon. Trackmaster Gordon looks awesome. Let's take a look here. So there he is. He's in great condition. I mean, his coupling is intact, which I'm very happy about. Check his date, 2009 Mattel. Not sure if there is a battery in here. There is, and he runs. So, but I'm gonna give him a completely new one. His condition's phenomenal, man. He can run alongside my Henry. This is my second engine with a wire coupling. I really don't find these guys a lot, so let's see. Let's hope I don't get like copyright or some shit or something. Copyright, what am I saying? We don't want to talk about brand names, do we? Just like Leo Kim said, so. Let me get this guy out of here. There's fireworks outside, I think you can hear that. This battery is not 100%, so. Okay, it's actually quite a dead battery. Let me really quickly go get a replacement. 1 second. Okay, I just got a different battery. As you might know, these 2009 models are slow. Very slow, actually. So this is really the best battery that I have right here. Look at that. I mean, they really didn't get these guys to get like such good batteries or something. But I'll buy probably some new batteries like tonight or something to put in this guy. One thing I do gotta say is that he looks amazing, at least for looks, if you know what I mean. So that's awesome. Now I'm gonna put this back together. Yeah, so this is the lot right here. These four for 15 euros. Pretty good, eh? You know, I'm especially happy about this Gordon since I wanted to complete more of my Steam team. Now I only need Edward, which I might buy somewhere. So at least I have this now. Awesome, looking great. I would say there's one thing left to do. Let's go for a running session. Okay, so here we have him on the layout. He's looking fantastic. I mean, his condition is great. Like, yeah, I like it. I'm very happy. Gonna be running him alongside Boko. Well, it's basically a trend that well, not really a trend, but I always do this. The last engine I got before this one, so today I got Gordon, and then a couple days ago, last package I got Boko. I'm gonna be running Boko on the inside line, and next video probably I'll have Gordon running on this line. So yeah, awesome. Let's send Boko on his way. See how quick that guy is, and then here goes Gordon. Slowpoke. All right. Just turn this guy back on. So there could actually be that he needs to run in a little bit. Hope that will come. Here's Boko. Look at him. Just going. Look at Gordon. Oh, this guy is painfully slow. Might even just pop a double A battery in him just to get some more speed on this guy. Yeah, look, Boko's already back. And Gordon has just made the hill. Here, look. There you go. Look. Nice double shot. Gordon is extremely slow. But that's just what happens with these 2009 engines. I'm gonna pop, I think right now, I'll pop in a double A battery, see if I can get him to run a little bit faster than this, because all my C batteries are low basically, besides this one apparently, but if I put this one in here, then the same thing's gonna happen. So I'm going to pop a double A in them and see if it's any better. Okay, I've just fitted in the double A battery, see if this helps. I think he's a little quicker, so that's nice. Let's send him back on his way. There we go. He's still fucking slow. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. I'm only doing one lap of this guy. This is absurd. Normally I do like 2 laps of engines, but this is just a 1 lap. Look at this. I mean, look at this. Look at how quickly Boko passes him by. So yeah, that's kind of unfortunate. But Boko here has been running like a champ. And that's awesome. You're gonna see him come in right here. Great bridge. Here he comes. Old Slowpoke Gordon. He does look very nice, so I'll give him that. But performance-wise, he's not up there. Okay, so I'm actually going to round up this review right here. I think it was a better idea to put this guy on the inside line and on the out. But I wanted to see him how he performs on hills and whatnot, so he's doing just fine. And, you know, maybe I'll do something to get him to work a little bit faster, but for now, this is just how he's going to be. He's going to be Gordon, the not-so-fast express engine. So yeah, I hope you all have a nice weekend, actually, since it's Friday that I upload this. So yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. and have a nice day. See ya. Okay, I'm actually not done yet with the review. It's clickbait what I just said. So he actually has, I don't think you guys can really tell, but he has a crap ton of hair around the axles. So I'm going to clean that out first, then I'll give a little update to show how he's doing right now, or if it is any better. Alright. Okay, so I have tried my best to remove as much hair as possible. There's one big issue. This screw that goes in here is stripped. I can't get it out. So I had to do it through just like this, just poking in there. That was super annoying. I do have the impression that it's a little better, but I'm not sure. So yeah, look, this is how he runs right now. So I think it's not too bad now, but it still isn't great. And of course, that the screw is stripped, that's even more annoying. But yeah, I've tried all my 4 screwdrivers and none of them got it, so that was annoying. But you know, it is what it is, so I'm going to hold it at that. Now I'm going to really end the review, so see you guys very soon, and bye for now.